It is 8:30. Who am I? I'm like, God, I'm gonna have a heat stroke. Good morning. So today is my last day at home before I move in tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you on a little like day in the life of Lauren's last day at home. I don't know. So yeah. Bye, Tyler. Bye. Hi, Mom. Band camp. So it is band camp day 5. Obviously I'm not in band anymore, but it was 6 years, and my brother still plays drums. So today they have their dress rehearsal, and I'm helping out with some other stuff and packing. You have a fan base, Mom. How does that make you feel?
You want to be in it?
Hi.
Hello, what's up?
We love stretches. So we're back at home now. I picked up like 4 cameras because I'm supposed to video the band's dress rehearsal. We also got a ton of apparel ready for the performance, and then we have to head back because more fiascos. We love band kids so much. I don't understand why they're like this. This song is into All the Boys I've Loved Before, which is such a good movie. I'm so sweaty, but we are on our way now. They just finished their first run through. Oh, I got added to the Band Moms group chat. We're moving up in the world. Mom's got her Frappuccino and her stuff. Hi, Mom. Again.
Hi. I'm sweaty.
We're sweaty. Mom's fun to vlog with. I thought you'd be weird about it. Okay. So because I've never done like an about me or whatever those challenges are, in case you didn't know, I did band for 6 years of middle school and high school and all of that fun stuff. I was a tiny little flute. I am not a tiny little flute now. This is just a lot. Here we go, ladies. Oh, this has been such a long day. Don't ever become a PTO mom. Just word of advice to everybody anywhere. Not fun. 0 out of 10. Future Lauren, 0 out of 10. Don't do it. It is 8:30. Who am I? I'm like, God, I'm gonna have a heat stroke. It's 10:30 now. Their dress rehearsal is at 11. I think I've said that 3 times now. Bye. Hi, Daniel. Hi. Hi, Bennett. Hey, nerds. Say hi. Where are you? Hi. No, back here.
We're gonna come up there.
Are you coming up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can hang out with me. It is an oven up here.
It's so hot. What is this?
I'm frying, Parker.
Oh God, it is hot.
It is really hot up here. They're going. Can you hold my vlog? It's
Yes.
on. You can.
Oh God. All right. Check it out. Daniel. 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 Say hi. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Say hi. There we go. We got a couple of waves. And then we got Mrs. Sum rocking her way. Mrs. Sum is not Mini Boss. She is Big Boss.
Mini Boss is downstairs demanding to come upstairs. Hey vlog, guess what? This is a man who just passed his EMT course. He call 911 and he's gonna get you.
Throw water all over myself.
Ooh. Okay, here we go. Dress rehearsal round 1.
But welcome. This year's show is titled The Latin Connection.
Nice job. Hi.
I love this kid. Wait, who is he?
I'm too good for the paparazzi.
Yo,
Wait, are you filming though?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Bye, Bennett. Bye, George. Bye. Nice job, Tyler.
Thanks.
Okay. So, the dress rehearsal is done. Didn't really vlog during that. That was a lot. But we are now on our way to the band pizza party. And oops, I just burnt myself with a seatbelt buckle. It's really hot in here.
Alright. Do you need help? Silly. Strangle one another. Everyone. Oh, you can dab.
No! No!
You can floss.
Can you come?
Really?
Hi.
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 For the rest of the day, I have some errands to run, like last minute errands, and then I have to finish packing a little bit. Oops. And then we leave tomorrow, so that's really exciting. But yeah. To any band member that's currently watching this vlog, the show was really great. I think it has a lot of potential to grow, and it's going to be really exciting to see it in a couple months. And I love the attitude of the new guys. It's really refreshing to see a bunch of new faces. So yeah, I just wanted to say good luck this year. Time to pick up sushi. Got the goods. All this stuff has to come with me tomorrow. Mom was talking to me and she thinks I may take 2 trips, which is pretty rough. But we're gonna finish packing and we'll see. Finished doing a bunch of paperwork stuff. Also, my camera needed to charge because it died because it was so hot out. And in case anyone didn't notice, I literally, I don't know if you can see, I got sunburnt today, which was really rough. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner now. Dad just went for it anyway. So
I didn't see. Sorry. So
My
sorry.
God.
it's okay. So we got sushi, which you saw at ShopRite. But yeah, last dinner at home before I moved back to school. Where are we going, Mom?
Viva Villanova.
Okay, so it is 9 o'clock and we finished dinner and it is time to finish packing. Oops. Tuck it, lady.
Suck it in.
You sat out. You just elbowed me in the face. Packed.
It's okay. I don't need.
Packed.
Next year we're renting a U-Haul, 18-wheeler better.
P.S. to Daniel, who was featured earlier in this vlog, I'm so sorry that we did not get to hang out tonight. It has been an extremely hectic day being a band mom.